How to log in to Skywest Employee Portal. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily log into your Skywest Portal. First thing you have to do is search for Skywest Employee Portal on your web browser and click on the first link, go to skywestonline.com. Now, once you tap on it, you can directly enter your employee ID and as well as your password. Click on this I button right beside your password field to view your password. To confirm it that it's true, then just click on this login button. And if you are a new employee, you can just register right here for your new account creation. And somehow, if you forgot your password, you have this forgot password option right at the bottom. Enter your employee number, select your hire date, your birthday, and last four digit of your social security number. Doing so will help you recover your password in just a few steps. You can also contact the IT help desk on this number right here. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon for more contents like this. I'll see you guys in the next one.